What's going on, guys? I'm Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK42865HYD. This is going to be our hydraulic brake kit for a 7,000 pound axle using 12x2 brakes. You can see right here, this big box is what you get in the mail. It's got these two smaller boxes in it. Make sure everything stays nice and neat while it gets to you. And we have our smaller boxes here, our filler. You can see right here we have our True Ride hub and drum. 8 on 6.5. The races are already pressed in. Then we're going to have our hydraulic backing plate. We can see on the back right here, this sticker is going to tell us left hand, right hand, and this is going to be our hydraulic connections. And we'll look at the front. We got our hydraulic cylinder. These are just bolt them up, plug them in, and good to go. And we have our other box here. We have all of our small parts. We have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. And right here we're going to have our bearings. And these are going to be our inners. These are going to be the 25 5/80s. These are just going to pop in right here, just like that. And we're going to have our outers, the 114 125A. These are just going to go in right there. And we're going to have our seals. We're going to have two 1 1/8 and 1 1/4. You can see the bigger and thinner. The thinner ones are for the newer style. We like to send these old ones just in case you have the older styles. I like to make sure that you guys get everything you need. And we're going to have our grease caps. So we're just going to have the ones for the regular spindle that just pop right on. And we're also going to have the ones for our easy lube spindles. You can see right here, these are going to come with the little plastic rubber. And these will just pop on as well. And we're going to have our castle nut and washers. So we're going to get our 2 castle nuts. You're going to get some tang washers for the easy lube spindles. And you're going to get some regular washers for just the regular spindles, as well as the cotter pins. Not a lot of kits use these, but we like to make sure that you guys get everything you need in these kits. And we're also going to get our 16 lug nuts, and these are going to be the 1/2 inch style. And then we're going to get our mounting hardware, these studs and nuts and bolts. So with these studs are actually going to go through the back of the plate on the axle rather than through the brake plate. A lot of times these will already come on the axle, but sometimes they fall out, so we send them just to make sure that you guys have all the mounting hardware. So you stick it through the plate on the axle, it'll come right through here, and then you'll just put your washer and nut on. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple stuff. Thanks for watching. That was the BK42865HYD.